Hey guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and today I'll be sharing with you all a super duper easy hair oiling routine which will nourish your hair and make your hair feathery soft. You just have to do this 30 to 45 minutes before shampoo, and doing this regularly will make your hair so great you'll never have to go to the salon for a hair spa ever again. So take a little bit of your hair oil into a small bowl and heat this slightly. Then apply this all over your scalp while it is still warm. So here I'm using the Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera Enriched Coconut Hair Oil, which by the way smells absolutely awesome and is literally the only oil in the market that combines coconut oil with aloe vera for awesome nourishment and conditioning. This makes the hair super soft, but I'll talk about more on this later. So apply your hair oil all over your scalp and then run your fingers through the lengths of your hair with special attention to the tips. The tips are where your hair will be most dry and damaged, guys, and trust me, these dry rough hair tips will love you for this routine. So when you do this regularly, apply the hair oil properly all over your hair. It literally transforms your hair. You'll start seeing a difference. You'll notice that the hair has also become frizz free, which is such a huge issue that everyone faces these days. So massage the oil very gently using your fingertips like this in circular motions. This also helps to improve the blood circulation and improves the hair health in return. So doing this for just a few minutes is enough. You don't have to go overboard with this. Now here's a quick close-up look of my scalp after applying the hair oil. So I just want to show you that your scalp and your hair should not look sticky or greasy at all. So once again, let me show you the hair oil which I am using, because this is a very nice non-sticky, non-greasy formula. The first option for a quick hair spa-like treatment obviously involves wrapping a warm towel around your head. You might have already done this before and it's so great for your hair. Another option is to get one of these hair spa caps that are super affordable and easily available these days. Put it on and wear for about 15 minutes for a quick hair spa. Now once you're done with the hair spa, massage the scalp again for about 2 minutes using your fingers in gentle circular motions. The idea is to once again improve the blood circulation. Now, pull your hair back using a soft hairband or just use a loose hair clutch. I do not prefer using scrunchies or hair ties when my hair is oiled or wet, since it just adds a little more weight to the hair, pulling it down, which can be so bad for the hair health. After about 30 to 45 minutes, just wash everything off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. So guys, time for the moment of truth. Do you see how silky, shiny, bouncy, happy my hair is looking? Let me show this to you up close. My hair is looking so shiny, silky and so soft, guys. I literally can't stop touching it. It's super soft. So the thing about this routine is what, guys, this routine is super affordable. You can do this at home. It is so simple. Like the hair spa cap which I used. First of all, you can use a towel instead of a hair spa cap, but if you use a hair spa cap, it is still just a one-time investment. The hair oil which I'm using for just rupees 39.39, yes guys, 39 rupees for a 75 ml bottle. If you buy a 150 ml bottle, it costs just rupees 75. A 250 ml bottle like this one will cost you rupees 120. And the brand is Parachute. I think like most Indian girls, even I have grown up using Parachute hair oil for my hair, Parachute hair care products. And coconut oil is something which again most of us have grown up using, with your mom doing chumpy and telling you that coconut is great for nourishing your hair. Well, your mom was right. Coconut oil is actually great for providing nourishment to your hair, to your scalp. It's so great. On top of that, I think what makes this formula really interesting is the fact that they have also added aloe vera to it. Now, aloe vera definitely makes your hair really soft by conditioning it. If you might have noticed, even on my channel, I have used aloe vera gel for so many times separately, just like that, in DIYs, in powder form, in so many ways. Now that's one way of using aloe vera gel separately in DIYs in different forms. However, in this case, it's actually a lot less messy. In fact, it's not messy at all. You're just applying hair oil. It's very simple, very quick, very fast. And yeah, I just think that this is a really cool hair care routine. And the best thing is that, because your hair is so manageable, so shiny and so soft, especially because it is so manageable, you can also style your hair very easily because your hair is listening to you. So what I'll do, guys, I'll put the links for everything that I've used in today's video with the details and everything in the description box below if you want to check it out. Seriously, I need to stop touching my hair, guys. This must be so irritating for you to watch. This is what happens, like whenever I do this routine, this is how my hair becomes, and I just keep doing this like a very self-obsessed person. Anyways, keeping my hands here, I'll put all the links in the description box below. You can totally check it out. And if you have tried out a very similar routine before, because it's a very simple routine, or if you have used this hair oil before, please let me know your comments in the comment section below. If you have any other hair oiling routine which you would want to share with me, please share that also in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, what I would love is for you guys to give me some thumbs ups and to subscribe to this channel, to turn on the bell icon for notifications. So please do that, guys, and don't forget to keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.